Tine maswati siyanemukela nonke. Tine maswati ngemfongoto neluthambo.
Ehlelweni lakho mbukeli lithi Buhle Betfu sikulethela bona buhle belive lakho mbukeli sikukhuthata ukuthi kwati live lakho kangcono. Kanti Buhle Betfu mbukeli solohambisana naye Swaziland Tourism Authority sithi hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Nginobumelela kaDlamini isibongo lona mbukela ngithatha leli thuba lokubingelela ngiphinze ngomukeleke ehlelweni lakho. Kanti kangihambi ngedvana ngihamba naye Giyani.
Inkosana Itindlondlo kongiyani bakamsibi. Indeed nompumelelo, this is the first episode of our new season of Buhle Betfu, where we explore and bring you the beauty of Swaziland. Just as the song says, it's a wonderful day. Oh yes, it's a wonderful day. Indeed, it's a wonderful day, and you can interact with us on our social media, on our Facebook page that is on your screen right now. Nompumelelo, tell me something. What's your perfect holiday?
Let me see, Giyani. It must be waking up in luxury, a day at the spa, golf with the girls, poolside cocktails.
You can catch it right there. I now know a perfect place, beautiful for a queen like you, and it's right here in Swaziland. I'm talking about Ezulwini, which is it means heaven, hey? It means heaven. It's a beautiful place. I'm talking about the Royal Swazi Sun. Let us go and see what we have there.
Set in the natural tranquility of the Ezulwini Valley, the Royal Swazi Spa Valley resort attracts guests from all corners of the world. The resort is made up of the elegant Royal Swazi Spa Hotel and Lugogo Sun, making the two hotels a minute apart.
The Royal Swazi Spa Valley Resort is celebrating 50 years this year. That's how long we have been in the hospitality industry. And we comprise of two hotels in close proximity, which is the Royal Swazi Spa, which is this hotel that we're at, and Lugogo Sun, like I said, they're in close proximity. The Royal Swazi Spa Valley Resort oozes of different entertaining facilities that namely your tennis courts, your squash courts, your bowling greens. We've got an 18-hole championship golf course, which is well manicured. We've got a health spa, and we also have outdoor activities that our guests can enjoy anytime they stay on our resort, and those are your quad bikes, your horse riding, paintball, just to mention a few. And we've got a lovely swimming pool deck area, which is the background right here, as you can see. And Lugogo Sun also has an area similar to this, and a lovely pool bar that our guests can hang out at while enjoying some cocktails. Very relaxing environment.
The resort boasts of a beautiful lawn and makes it a great golf course for international golf tournaments and championships.
Our 18-hole golf course hosts the King's Cup golf tournament every year, which we will be hosting again next month. So that is an annual event, and not just only the King's Cup, but several golf tournaments during the course of the year. And also, we cater for the masses. We also do outside catering events. We can cater for as much as 500 to your thousands, 1,000, 2,000. We can cater for that outside. And as you can see, we prepared for lunch today. We're catering for about 500 people, which is within our property. So that, I can say, sets us apart from the other establishments.
Royal Swazi Spa also takes pride in its wellness and beauty spa, popularly known as Camelot, which also has a gym facility for that tourists who will want to maintain that lifestyle even while on holiday. What's good to know, though, is the gym is also open for locals who want to be full-time gym members.
Ushesi Camelot i-wellness center uphinde futhi kube spa. Lesinako sine gym levame kakhulu kusetshenziswa ngema-locals kanti futhi nema-hotel guests. Shothi kule gym yethu sikubita ngekuthi ma-facilities. Kune gym, kune indoor pool le-heated, phinde futhi sibe ne-steam room ne-sauna lapho khona ufike ungene khona uthobeke emtimbeni.
The wellness center consists of a sauna, an indoor pool, and massage and therapy rooms. The staff at Camelot is trained well enough by Camelot, which is Southern Africa's biggest beauty therapy academy.
I-massage isita ku-relaxise mamasela nangabe nje uyasebenza noma nangabe une-stress. Kungaba ngumsebenzi-ke lo uhlala embi kwe-computer noma wenda umsebenzi lo physical. Uyeta uto-massage because as umtimba utensa up, la mamasela ayaficana ngasho njalo. Shothi-ke kuda uto-massage athina sifike si-relaxise leli masela libuye esimeni salo. Ngoba okay wona umtimba udalwe ukuthi manje ke uti-relaxise wona emva kwesikhathi but ngenzaba ukuthi sebenza umsebenzi lomningi isikhathi lesiningi ukhanze ukuthi lo mtimba awusasifoli kahle lesikhathi sekuphumula ngoba thine asiniketi lesikhathi sekuphumula so kutalana utomassage ke wendela lo mtimba ukuthi manje ke sikhone loku-relaxisa. I-massage efecala kunakuthi nje ihambe embili kakhulu kuba ngeyo i-Camelot Universal Massage. I-Camelot Universal Massage ke i-massage lapho khona sifaka onke lama massages lesiwendako. Ngawubekisa nje ukuthi nasenda i-back sis-incorporate ama-hot stones bese sesenda ikhahuna la sebenzisa khona umkhono massage lemilende bese sesenda ne-Indian head massage. Sho sithatha onke lama massages lesiwendako la kule priceless yethu sifake kinye i-massage iba yellow hour but ke akhona nalamanye ama-massage lahamba embili njengayo i-Swedish body massage kuba i-normal pressure massage asho ke yena i-client ukuthi manje ke ifuna ungetele pressure noma ifuna uyehlise bese bekisa nje ukuthi khona lokunye lokuthiwa bo-aromatherapy lapho khona sesifaka lamanye ma-oils lanukekelako la kule massage.
Royal Swazi has more than 100 rooms, including a royal suite, executive honeymoon suites, to double rooms for every individual depending on their needs.
The Royal Swazi Spa Valley Resort comprises of 149 rooms that are configured differently from your standard rooms to your royal suites, and Lugogo Sun has about 201 standard rooms that can accommodate the masses.
It also has a dining and banquet halls, which is part of the restaurant where they make delicious meals for every occasion.
How we keep up is basically is purely because of the world-class service that we have to offer to each and every guest, every client that comes to our resort. We make sure that we give them that undivided attention and we deliver and try by all means to go beyond our clients' expectation.
Lugogo Sun Hotel is one of the hotels that make up Royal Swazi Spa Valley Resort. The hotel's location takes advantage of the tranquility of the surrounding Ezulwini Valley, allowing guests to feel completely relaxed as they drive into the hotel.
This is a family destination in as much as it's corporate destination. There is so much you can experience, whether it's holiday, business. I would say come and experience the thrills. We have so much in store for you.
Found at Lugogo Sun is Camp Kwena, which is a children's center for entertainment for children up to the age of 12.
Touching on family vacations, we've got a kiddies facility which is located at Lugogo Sun. It's called Camp Kwena, suitable for kids up to the ages of 12 years. It also offers daycare facilities. It's open Mondays to Sunday from 9 to 4 p.m. So bring those kiddies over for daycare. We also have promotional activities that happen on weekends that we normally advertise as and when they come up. Otherwise, we've got the daycare facility Monday to Sunday.
It also has a restaurant and spacious dining areas, a beautiful poolside accompanied by a pool bar. Royal Swazi Sun is surrounded by nature, mountains, and a host of activities and facilities which make for a memorable holiday or business conference.
Okay, most of the clients that we get are locals. And it's purely locals in the corporate segments. And then when it comes to leisure clients, it is a common trend that Swazis will want to experience something outside the country, because even if they are and in any establishment locally, they feel like they're at home. They're at home. So I would say to the Swazis out there, come and experience the Royal Swazi Spa. There is so much we have to offer. The moment you enter our facility, you're in a different ball game, and it's something really worth experiencing. Otherwise, most of our business, like I said, it comes from the local corporate segment.
You know what I like the most, Kiani, about the Royal Swazi Spa is it's been in existence for 50 years, and in those years, it has still tried to maintain being Swaziland's leading luxurious hotel.
50 years. That's epic. That's historical, man. I mean, I wonder how many people have been saved by those means over 50 years. I'm sure it's 1,000, 1,000,000, billion, trillion, zillion people, Makoba people over those years. That is a Swati number. We do have a Makoba in our language. Yeah, over a Makoba people over those 50 years. Indeed, I say more. Let us take a quick commercial break. We shall be back after this. Don't go anywhere.
Siyanemukela nonke. Thine Maswati ngemfokozo neluthango.
Welcome back to your favorite show, Buhle Betfu. We are still experiencing the beauty of the kingdom of Swaziland. Kiani, what's your favorite holiday destination?
Well, as opposed to girls who like spas, massages, swimming pools and all the like, I like the reserved kind of nature, whereby I can ride on horses, ride on bicycles, eat food, explore any beauty or serenity of any place, and talk about the tranquility, just any beautiful environment,
Maybe to that, Kiani, let's add a spa and a day at the sauna. I have just the place for you. It could just be your next holiday destination, really. Your favorite. It's on your way to Pigs Peak, and we're talking about Hawane Resort. Let's see what Hawane has to offer.
Situated less than 10 kilometers from the Oshuk border post and almost 3.5 hours from Johannesburg and the west of Mozambique lies the breathtaking Hawane Resort. The majestic peaks of Swaziland's northern highlands nestle the resort, which has spectacular views. Hawane is perfectly positioned to visit the nearby Maloloja National Park and Maguga Dam. It is also very close to the famous Ngwenya glass factory.
Okay, Hawane started like years back. We started as a stables. We used to have races and stuff, and then that's how we grew, because there was a need to accommodate the people that were coming for the races. The whole thing started in 2001. That's where Hawane Resort was born.
There are 23 thatched luxury and suite chalets which are fascinating in design. There's a clear blend of traditional and modern styles that came to play when designing these chalets. They are perfectly placed in well-groomed gardens with waterways meandering through.
We are a very great wedding venue. We do garden weddings. We had a lot of weddings, a lot. I think we are more like Ido because we are outside town, so it's so peaceful out here. We do weddings, so we've got two options whereby you can just hire the venue, or we do the catering and stuff. So it's up to you to choose what you really want to do. But we do weddings a lot.
The resort dedicated itself to providing the best for all who visit. There are comfortable feather pillows and duvets to warm you up even in the chilliest of cold nights.
In total now we have like 23 rooms. They are thatched chalets, so they're like traditional rooms. The rooms sleeps like 2 in each, and then we also have the stables, which is the backpackers. It's an open, which we converted into a backpacker that takes about 52 people. Okay, it's more like ideal for conferences, and we also take school kids where they come do their team building and all the likes.
The resort is well known for its stables. There are several horses available for rides. Horse rides at Hawane are very popular because the horses are trained and are friendly to carry even the most delicate souls, children.
We do horse riding. It's like 24/7, like every day. Normally we start at 8 until 4. We do rides, out rides. There's 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, or else it depends on how long you want to go. Like for the 30 minutes one, we charge 100 rand per person. For the hour, we charge 150, and then it goes on and on. We also have a small package whereby we take you to a waterfall, and then it's just a small picnic thing. We take you to a waterfall which is like by the Hawane Dam.
Children are most welcome in this family-friendly resort that accommodates their needs. There are games including archery, volleyball, table tennis, and board games to keep them entertained.
We do have the mountain biking, which we rent it out to on daily or half-daily rates. We normally give it out to people so they do it on their own. And then we have the horse riding, whereby you come with a guide. We can't give you our horses. It comes with a guide. We also have a bush spa. We do massages. And then we have a sauna. We have a swimming pool. And then for people, because our market it's based on or mainly from Europe and Asia, so we have places because for tourism you cannot be a standalone. You need to work with other people, and you need to know what's happening where. We've got Maloloja, which is like 15 kilometers from us, where there's a treetop canopy tour. We've got the Ngwenya class, which is like 7 kilometers from us. We've got the cultural village, we've got the Kangles, we've got the crafts market. So we are selling all of those things as Hawane.
The food at Hawane is served in their beautiful Taste of Africa restaurant. The thatched roof and glass panels give the restaurant its unique look. Coupled with the big central fireplace, this restaurant is a marvel to dine in.
We have the restaurant which is operating like from 7 in the morning until 10 at night. It is always open every day of the week. We have our special menu with our renowned chef all the way from Uganda, Richard.
With African fusion cuisine from across the African continent, as prepared by their own renowned chef from Uganda, Hawane offers a variety of vegetarian and spiced dishes to suit all palates. The resort also has a backpackers hostel at the stables that accommodates up to 22 people. There's a conferencing facility nearby that makes this resort a great meeting destination.
We do conferencing. Our conference can take like about 80 people. Okay, as a traditional, I don't know how I can put it. We outside town, so everything is like a bit laid back with us. But we do have conferencing facilities, but people are welcome to come do what meetings, small meetings or whatever they want to do. And we have a fully operational restaurant that supports the conferencing.
Other activities available include mountain biking, fishing, horse riding, quad biking, and so much more. There are many fun things to do around Hawane, but what stands out the most is the houseboat at Lugogo Dam.
It is just a small boat that we have. It sleeps like 4 people maximum. We've got like two double beds in there. We also do hourly trips on the boat, and it takes like 6 people maximum for an hour, or a daily trips. For the hourly rates, 300 rand for the maximum of 6 people, and for a day we're selling it at 1.2. And then we do overnighting. We charge 1,400. That is for 2 people spending a night there. And then we charge like 1.7 for 4 people. It is a self-catering facility.
The famous boat is available for rentals on a self-drive basis. In this boat is a double bed, kitchenette, shower and ablutions on board. This boat is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who wish to laze, fish or watch the birds on the serene Maguga Dam. Of course, booking is essential.
Itwala 6 webantu le-hour ngibacharge-ke leyo mali ekubanga 300 le-hour kahle kahle yona yekulala ithatha-ke kulala ithatha 4 webantu. So la ngekhathi kwale boat diningi into etitholakala-ko ngoba vele since le kuthiwa i-houseboat yindlu vele. La ngekhathi sinayo ifriji, sinayo 2 ama-double bed, kune-toilet ne-shower, kune-geyser, kune-stove ne-oven. Nekufisha-ke siyafisha la kule boat lena. Ikhona i-fish finder iya exite kubuka timfishi, ikhombe ne-depth ukuthi kushona kangakanani lapho uhamba khona. Nasihamba-ke ngale boat sihamba le-hour njengoba ngishilo ukuthi kuye kube ngu-300 bantu laba ngu-6 noma-ke ngaphasi kwalokho. Then-ke nangabe uyithethe utolala uye uyithathe nga-12 emini uyilethe kusasa nga-10 ekuseni. Noma nakwentekile wahlangana nenkinga-ke kepha lesikhathi lengi-70 lana kusele inkinga letiketa bakhona. Kuyaye kube nelicingo la ngekhathi uyaye umshayele ukuthi nyalo sonenkinga lekaso ngide ngikuside ngaleso sikhathi lesifunana.
That was succulent, that was beautiful. That houseboat, I'm already planning my next trip on that houseboat. What do you think?
Kiani, Swaziland has so much more to offer you. I mean, the season has just begun. We're yet to explore the kingdom of Swaziland. Unfortunately, that brings us to the end of our show for tonight. But then I do hope that same time, same place next week, you will be with us on your favorite program, Buhle Betfu. That is all from me, Nompumelelo Dlamini.
But for this and more of the beauty of Swaziland, do join us next week, same time, same place, right here on Swazi TV.
Shobangwane, vuka uvakashi.